with boots on their front end to protect their heel. They are shown with boots to protect their heel on the front end as they take a mighty powerful step off their hindquarters as they make their way around the arena in 5 different gates. Ladies and gentlemen, we present this juvenile 5-gated division. We are looking for 5, Your Honor.
Jamie.
Ease her down there, man. They got voice on. They got voice on. If you don't have voice on, once you listen to this ground and you come down here.
And we believe that to be the class. We are on the rail working at the trot, please. On the rail working at the trot, please.
All right, why don't you go part way down?
Walk, please. Exhibitors showing at the walk, please. Set them up and let them slow gate, please. Set them up and slow gate. Let them rack, please. Rack on.
Come on, Jamie, sit down.
Walk, please. Exhibitors, walk, please. Canter, please. Exhibitors, please canter. Walk, please. Exhibitors, please walk.
Doing good, Jamie.
Exhibitors, reverse and strike a trot, please. Reverse and trot. Taking on the ground, we are reversing and showing at the trot. Class number 7, we are reversing and showing at the trot. Pleasure, you will be shanked. First call, last time, you get a part pleasure for the junior horse.
That's good, Carrie. Keep her busy.
Walk, please. Walk, please. Time out, please. Work at ease. Time out, please. Attendant for number 237. Attendant for number 237.